OPQR over here is a rectangle where O is the origin, M is the midpoint of RQ, and PT is to TQ is 2:1 in a ratio. OP is the vector P and OR is the vector R. A find in terms of P and or R in its simplest form. The first part is MQ. We know that OP is equal to RQ because they are parallel and this is a rectangle. So this is also P over here. And what about MQ? We know that this is the midpoint, so these will be half and half of the total here. So this is half P of RM and MQ is also half P. So MQ over here is half P and that'll be our answer. Now part 2 is MT. Well, we know that MT is equal to MQ plus QT. How do we find QT? Because we already have MQ. We know that PQ is the same as OR. So this is simply R. And that's equal to PT plus TQ. And this is in the ratio 2:1. So this is 2/3 of the total PQ. And this is 1/3 of the total PQ. And PQ is R. So this is 2/3 R, 1/3 R. And this is in this direction. But if you go in the opposite direction for QT, then it becomes negative. So this is negative 1/3 R. So negative 1/3 R. And if we add these two together, we will get MT. So half P minus 1/3 R is our answer for MT. Now part 3 is OT. So we know that OT is just OP plus PT. When you add these two, we have OP. We need to find PT in this case. So we know that this is 1/3 R as we just discussed. This is 2/3 R as we also just discussed here. And yeah, I'll just erase this. We don't really need that right now. So this is 2/3 R. And adding these together, we get P plus 2/3 R. And this is our answer for OT.